I hear it all the time. I'm going to get this certification and this certification and these certifications. I'm going to get 5 certifications this year. I'm going to get the CompTIA trifecta before even applying for my first job. I tell these people the same thing every time. Having too many certifications without any experience can be a major red flag to any hiring manager. And the response is always the same. I get a flood of angry comments telling me how wrong I am and it's not 2015 anymore. Competition is bigger and worse than blah, 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 blah. And I'm always like, hey, you're the one that came to me looking for advice on how to get a job. Look, don't get me wrong. Certifications are great. They really can help you advance your career in the IT field. They can open up doors to new job opportunities and help get you involved in different communities based on your interests. Certifications are not the problem here. The big red flag comes from the lack of experience. When I'm looking to hire someone and they have 5 different certifications, but no formal job experience and have never worked a day in the field, that's a big red flag to me. I think to myself, why is this person not able to get a job? Is there some personality issue here, or are they just not motivated to work? So let's address the elephant in the room here, the significance of gaining real world experience. While certifications demonstrate a theoretical knowledge, experience will equip you with practical skills and problem solving abilities. Hiring managers often prioritize candidates who can apply their knowledge effectively to real world scenarios. So how can you gain experience if you're just starting out in the field? It's the old horse before the carriage, the chicken before the egg. I can't get a job without experience, but I can't get experience without the job. What do? Here are some of the most effective ways I found to build real world experience to be able to land that first entry level job. First, the most effective way I found is with internships and volunteer work. Seek out internships or volunteer opportunities in tech-related organizations. These experiences will allow you to work in real-world projects, building your skills, and make valuable connections within the industry. While it is true that most of the time these opportunities don't pay anything, they look great on your resume, especially if you're just starting out in the field. Next way to gain experience is personal projects or building a home lab. Undertake personal tech projects to demonstrate your abilities. You can create a portfolio showcasing your projects and share it with potential employers. If you've built your own computer, talk about the steps you took to figure out the best parts for your computer and the thought process behind those decisions. Another way to build experience is networking with people in person. Attend tech events, conferences, meetups, and network with professionals in the field. Sometimes professional connections can lead to job opportunities. When applying for a job in tech, sometimes it can come down to not what you know, but who you know. If you know someone inside the company you're applying for, that can be all the leg up you need. Finally, and what I think is the most difficult way, but it's definitely an option, is freelancing. Consider taking on freelancing gigs or small contracts to help gain experience while showcasing your experience to potential employers. Again, the red flag comes from a lack of experience. Lots of experience with no certs, you'll probably still get hired. Lots of experience plus certs, definitely getting hired, and probably actually some room for salary negotiation. Now, let's discuss how to incorporate certifications into your job seeking strategy. First, make strategic certification decisions. Rather than accumulating a vast number of certifications, focus on those that complement your career goal. A well-chosen certification can enhance your marketability in specific job sectors. By doing so, you're not only increasing your marketability, but you're also demonstrating a focused approach to professional development. It's also worth considering the specific sector you are targeting and the certifications that are most relevant to those sectors. This can help you stand out from other professionals and increase your chances of success. Next, research in-demand certifications. Identify the certifications that align with the roles that you are targeting. Research the job market to understand certifications that are in demand and prioritize certifications that employers are looking for in the area you're looking to work in. I've actually created a list of the current top 10 IT certifications paths out there. You can check it out right here. Whatever you decide to do, keep your eye on your end career goal and you'll go far. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, keep learning.